equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner, specifically focusing on the trigger warranty issues that some users may encounter. First, let's gather the tools you'll need for this process. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. Begin by ensuring your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Safety first. Now, let's remove the trigger assembly. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 2 screws located at the base of the trigger. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the trigger assembly away from the body of the vacuum. You may notice some dust and debris inside. This is a good time to use your soft brush to clean the area thoroughly. A clean vacuum not only performs better but can also prevent future issues. Now, let's inspect the trigger mechanism itself. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you find that the trigger is stuck or not functioning properly, it may be due to a buildup of dirt or a mechanical fault. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, let's reassemble the trigger. Align the trigger assembly back into its original position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling or movement during use. After reassembly, it's crucial to test the trigger. Plug in your vacuum and turn it on. Press the trigger to ensure it engages smoothly. If it still doesn't work, it might be time to consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can provide insights into whether a repair is necessary. If you're still facing issues, don't worry. We offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of costs. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you to get your Dyson back in working order. In summary, maintaining your Dyson SV14 trigger is essential for optimal performance. Regular cleaning and inspection can prevent many common issues. However, if you encounter persistent problems, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We are here to help you keep your vacuum running smoothly and efficiently. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.